Hey guys, welcome to my new apartment. Come on in. Hi guys, welcome to my brand new Charlotte Liddy, aka Charlotte apartment. It's completely unfurnished. I literally just got here a couple minutes ago, and I wanted to give you guys an empty apartment tour. So without further talking, I am going to jump right into it. So the first thing we have is like this beautiful coat rack area over here, and like a seating area so take your shoes off. Me and my sister here, we took our stuff off and we hang them up because like order. But I think this is really like a really good add-in. It's really pretty, matches the aesthetic of the building. This is the first thing that you see when you come through the door on your left. And then moving on to the right, the next thing you see is this beautiful kitchen right here. Let me tell you, this kitchen is so pretty. First we have the fridge over here. Of course, there's nothing in it because I literally, as I said, just got here. And then we have cabinets over, like there's like a million cabinets in here, a million cabinets. And then even too, on the island, there are like cabinets along the side right here, and it's just cabinets galore. And then let's talk about the island too. It is so freaking huge. It's so big. Oh my god. I didn't even expect it to be this big, to be honest. It's something. Anyway, over here we have the sink right here. One thing that I really like about the sink, not really the sink, the faucet is the matte black finish. And if you notice across the apartment too, a lot of the finishes are matte black. So the faucet, all the finishes I should say are matte black. So the faucet, the handles to the cabinets, even on the doors, they're matte black. Like that's the whole thing for this apartment, and I really love it. It just gives it that, so that's really nice. And of course a dishwasher. I probably won't be using it, or maybe I will, I don't know. So yeah, the gray backsplash too is not bad. I actually didn't think I would like it as much as I do, so that's pretty cool. And I also like the lighting that's under the counter thingy, or under the cabinets. That's like a good add-on. And then right here of course we have like a stove. It looks like an electric stove, and oven and microwave, basic stuff that comes in a kitchen. So yeah, this is a kitchen. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like I love this kitchen. It's gorgeous and still simple. And now we're going to come into the living room area. Now this completely empty, of course, we know that, completely empty, but it is so huge. There is so much space here, and the view is absolutely breathtaking. I wish I could show you guys, but no one needs to know where I live. Okay, but the view is so beautiful. Oh my god, and the windows are so big too. So that was something that really sold me on this apartment. I'm thinking of putting a section on right here and maybe mount a TV on this wall, but we'll see when the furniture comes. I should have my couch delivered today and my headset. So now we're gonna go into the bedroom. Oh, I know you guys can see the matte black finishes on the door as well. Live for it. Anyways, now we're going into the bedroom, and I'm gonna turn the lights on for y'all. And this is the bedroom right here. So one thing I didn't mention is that out in the living area, the floor is hardwood, but the bedroom is carpeted. The bedroom space is pretty, it's simple, it's literally just a room. I still have a beautiful view in the bedroom as well, just like the living room. The fan also has the black finishes as well, which is something that I really like. Okay, now we're moving over into the closet slash the washroom. Let me turn on the lights as well. So what I really like about this apartment too is that the washer and dryer is right here, and if you look over here, this is the closet space. Now this closet is so much bigger than I thought it would be. There's so much space in here. I don't even know. I'm speechless. Like there's so much I can do with this space because I have a lot of clothes and I'm probably gonna get more, so problem. Anyways, but I love that the laundry stuff are right here. I mean the wash and dry right here, and the closet is right here, so that I don't have an excuse to not put my clothes up, because I'm that girl that takes forever to put her clothes up. But we're not going to talk about that. That's not what this video is about. Alright, now we're gonna go over into the bathroom, which is probably my favorite place. I mean my favorite place in this apartment. to turn the light on. But this is the bathroom. It's so amazing. It is so amazing. As I was saying throughout this whole video, I love the matte black finishes. Like in the bathroom as well, it's the same theme with the matte black faucet. Of course, the handles to the drawers, the towel rack, the handle to the shower, and also the standing shower. Let's talk about it. We open it, and then if you look on the floor in the shower, it's like, I don't know what this is called, but it's like matte black as well, and it has a little beading detail. And on the floor in the actual bathroom, it's like black and white. I don't know, like these things are just giving to me. And of course, if you look in the shower as well, then it has like a gray black backsplash, like what was in the kitchen. So this apartment unit really kept with the theme. That's something that really sold me. It's just so cute and chic. And anyways, in the bathroom as well, it does have some really nice cabinet spaces. It has 3 drawers, and they're all different sizes. The largest at the bottom, the medium in the middle, and the smallest up top. And of course, some space right here as well. And you know, you have a regular toilet, nothing special about that toilet, and there's nothing behind here. But yeah, and then we open this door, and we are back in the living space. So yeah, this is really my apartment, guys. I know it's small, but I love it. Like, I'm gonna have the time of my life in here. I'm so excited to film content for you guys. Like, I'm just so excited to like put my touch on this place. So stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let me know your thoughts about my apartment. Stay tuned to my moving vlog. It should already be up, or if it's not up, it's gonna be up after this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, all of that. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys right now. So I'm gonna have to let y'all out just because, you know, I got stuff to do. As you see, I have an empty apartment that, you know, I need to at least put food in or something. So I got shit to do. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Come on, take care, guys. Bye-bye.